How to completely uninstall Fortnite on laptop or PC. This tutorial will guide you through the process of completely uninstalling Fortnite from your laptop or PC. By following these steps, you will ensure that all game files, including residual data, are removed from your system. This is useful if you want to free up space, troubleshoot issues, or if you're planning to reinstall the game later. So let's get started. So first, open the Epic Games app. Make sure that your account is logged in on the Epic Games app. As you can see, mine is already open and logged in. After you log in to your Epic Games account, click the Library tab on the left side of the screen below the Store tab. While we are in the Library tab, click the three dots below the Fortnite game. The menu appears. While in the menu, click the Uninstall option to uninstall the app. There is a warning message where my recording app did not record the message. But it's just a short message. So just click the OK button or Uninstall button to uninstall the app. As you can see, below, the Fortnite game says install, which means that the game is already uninstalled. You have now fully uninstalled Fortnite from your laptop or PC, including all residual data and optional removal of the Epic Games launcher. This process helps ensure your system is clean and free of unnecessary files. If you plan to reinstall Fortnite later, you can always download it again from the Epic Games launcher.